everyone, I'm Simran from Universal NAATI. As we're all aware that interpreting is all about conveying a message in its correct form from one language to the other, sometimes these messages can get longer, and that's where notes would come in handy. So today I'm going to give you some tips as to how you would take notes and how you can deliver the message correctly. Okay, so now we're going to play a recording in the background and I will be taking notes on the side. So let's begin.
We have access to free childcare where you can leave your kid while you're attending your class. So, I will register you now and you must commence your course within 12 months of registration and complete 510 hours within 5 years.
Okay, so as you can see my notes here, I've only written very crucial information that is in the segment, and I haven't written anything on the sides here. So very clear and precise notes, that's what you have to do. So we have access to free childcare services. That was from the first line. You can derive that free childcare service is the main thing that you have to write down here, where you can leave your kid while you attend the class. So leave kid while you attend the class. And I will register you now. I didn't have to write I will register you now, just write register now. And you have to start your course within 12 months. So this is how I've framed it, within 12 months, but you can write it in any way you prefer, and complete 5-10 hours within 5 years of time. So let's try and interpret it in Hindi. So हमारे पास मुफ्त बाल संभाल की सुविधाएं उपलब्ध हैं, जहां पर आप अपने बच्चे को छोड़ सकते हैं जब आप अपनी कक्षा में होंगे. तो मैं अब आपका नाम दर्ज कर देती हूँ और आपको नाम दर्ज करवाने के बाद ही 12 महीनों के अंदर अंदर आपको इस पढ़ाई को शुरू करना होगा और आपको 5 सालों में 510 घंटों की पढ़ाई पूरी करनी होगी. So that's how you would interpret and write notes at the same time. So now we'll be looking at another example, which is in the other language. So when you're trying to interpret from Hindi or Punjabi to English, what we recommend is you take notes in English, because that's how we have programmed our brain and we can easily do translation from our own language to English. So let's take notes in English for Hindi language.
ठीक है, तो आपके पास कौन कौन से विकल्प मौजूद हैं? क्या आपके पास सप्ताह के अंत वाली कक्षाएं भी उपलब्ध हैं? क्या आप मेरी कक्षा चुनते हुए मेरी अंग्रेजी के स्तर को भी ध्यान में रखेंगे?
Okay, so as you can see my notes here, very precise again. So she said, okay, what options do I have available? Sorry, correction. What options do you have available? And do you provide weekend classes as well? And will you also assess my level of English while allocating me to a class? So if you write notes in English, it's so much easier to speak back in English. So that's how you would take notes in the other direction as well. So I hope you found this video very helpful for your NAATI preparations. And if you do have any questions, please leave us a comment and we will aim to get back to you, or you can give us a call at any time as well. We look forward to seeing you again in our next video. Thank you for tuning in. Bye.